What? I can at least...
Really? Was that hard? Was that hard? Was it?
Destroy his enemies by releasing a great plague.
Come on.
As the sun sets beneath the next full moon.
Files on the way. Plague.
Oh, really?
Donald applied for the NBC program.
Yeah? You gonna tell me more? Tell me more. I want to hear all about it.
What Randy's talking about.
Really? Yeah.
Tell me it's not...
Are you trying to sit up? Look at you trying to sit up some more. Yeah?
About an hour from now.
Here. Is that funny? Where did Georgia go? Do Georgia not want to sit with you anymore? No. You love your Georgia dog, don't you? Do you love your Georgia dog? Yeah. You blowing bubbles? Are you blowing bubbles? Yeah. Aww.
Sound general quarters. Yes, sir. Deploy the flying squad. Start with the ventilation.
Hi.
Alert sick bay situation and have them stand by.
Really? Really? Where'd your Georgia dog go? Huh? She's sitting over there. She's sitting over there. She's not playing with you anymore, huh? No. You trying to sit up here? Let me see your hands. You ready? Here you go. Good boy. Woo! And you're out. And you're out. Yeah. You can't sit up all by yourself just yet, huh? Not yet. Oh, is that rough? Oh, tiring too, huh? So you're just gonna sit there? Yeah, you're just gonna sit there.
No. Not sure.
Okay. Say